Good morning, students. Today we will go through Unit 3 Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So this is a beautiful story about a Gopal and he buys a Hilsa fish from a fish market. Okay, he was a courtier in the king's kingdom and there was a challenge he had received from the king and he wanted to face that challenge. Okay, so he dressed up himself differently and he bought a Hilsa fish and he purchased it and he went to the king's door and he was telling so many things, but those who were standing at the doorsteps, they were not allowing him to enter inside. So the way he dressed up, he was looking, nobody could recognize him. People on the way, when he was to go to the king's kingdom, they were laughing at him, but he was not bothered about. Just he want to take up the challenge. So let's go through the lesson. Okay. So Gopal and the Hilsa fish. The story is described in the picture wise. Okay. Pictures are given and according to this story it is described. So let us go through the story. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay. So story goes like that. The Gopal is. So the story goes like that. The Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. So it was a season of a Hilsa fish and people were not thinking, only thinking about to buy a Hilsa fish. Fishermen sought nothing but Hilsa fish. Come, buy the price of Hilsa fish is down today. So everybody near the fish market, everybody is telling that come and buy the Hilsa fish because today the Hilsa fish, the price is so down. Okay. Householders could take off nothing but Hilsa fish. How much it would be? Much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe that I told you. Okay. So the Hilsa fish price was so low. Okay. The Hilsa fish price was so low and people were buying the Hilsa fish. Okay. And in the palace too the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. And in the palace too the people were thinking and talking only about the Hilsa fish. And in the palace too the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, they said, Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. So people were just boasting about, just to show there that they have caught like that. They brought a big Hilsa fish. Stop it. The king was very angry. He was telling, stop it. Are you courtiers of a fisherman? So, are you the meaning of the courtiers one? The person who is in attendance of the court of the king. So, they are in attendance of the king. So, how can they talk about the fisherman's life? So the courtiers fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt really downcast eyes means looking down, ashamed. Why they were ashamed? Because king got angry. Are you a fisherman's courtier or what? I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for the Hilsa fish and no one. So it was a time and season for the Hilsa fish and all were buying that fish. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Not even Gopal was able to tell the courtiers to stop and talk about the Hilsa fish. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. So Gopal is telling to the king, oh, if I could stop these people talking about the Hilsa fish, because it is a time for the Hilsa fish and people are talking about. Then he left me, see you, buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about. I accept the challenge, your majesty. So the Gopal told the king that I myself was not able people to stop talking about the Hilsa fish, because everyone was talking, it was a season for the Hilsa fish and everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish. Okay, so that together with that he also was talking, Gopal also was talking, and the king challenged him without anybody's knowledge, can you bring the Hilsa fish in the court? Okay. A few days later, why is your face half seven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. So after a few days, after a week or something, the Gopal dressed himself like his face is half seven, and his wife is asking, what is the problem? And what is your problem that you are saving like that half seven? What are you going to do? So she is asking that I am going to buy a Hilsa fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you simmering yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. So again he was simmering up. Simmering up. What is the meaning of simmering? Sprinkling. What he was sprinkling? He was sprinkling the ash on his face. Okay? And he was dressing up himself differently so that no one can find out who is he. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman, I'm out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. It's happened to him. He's gone mad. So his wife is asking, why are you wearing the torn clothes? Why are you dressing up? Why your face is half seven? Why you are sprinkling the ashes on your face? So the Gopal is telling to his wife, I told you once that I am going to buy a Hilsa fish and I will do it that. He is wearing the torn coats. Again his wife is so unpleased with him doing this kind of behavior, and he started to walk. So his wife is thinking that maybe Gopal has gone mad. Okay. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? So on the way, he went to the fish market and he purchased a fish. And the way he was walking, okay, the way he was walking, he was looking just like a comical person. Everybody in the village, they are seeing him. He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a majestic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. You can't see the king. I get away with you. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. So what happened? Dressing himself so differently, the Gopal went to the market, purchased the Hilsa fish, and he started to walk towards the king's palace. And on the way, everyone was looking at him. On the way, everyone was looking at him. The way he was dancing, the way he had dressed up. Okay, he reached near the king palace and he asked those people to let him in, but they were not allowing him. So what did Gopal do when they did not allow him? He started to dance and sing in front of the palace. Inside the palace, this man is crazy. Throw him out of at once. I want to see the king, let me in. So the king also was very angry. He said, who is this man? Why he is behaving this way? Please throw him out of the palace. But the only Gopal wanted to see the king. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his big crazy jokes. So the people who were sitting in the court, they were laughing at him, talking about him so seriously. Why this man has dressed up like this? He's so crazy. As soon as the Gopal reached before the king, immediately the king realized that he is a Gopal. He came to know that he is a Gopal. All right, Gopal, out with you with it. What are you? Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Why you are dressed up like that? That is what Gopal is telling to the king. King is asking to the Gopal, why you have dressed up in ridiculous clothes? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So naturally the 1 week is over and Gopal is telling, I think you have forgotten something. Actually the king had forgotten why did the Gopal do this work. So he said, I think you have forgotten something. Forgotten something? What's that? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the place and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about the Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So when in the court, all were speaking about the Hilsa fish. The Gopal accepted the challenge because Gopal told the king that he himself was not able to stop people talking about the Hilsa fish. So the king put a challenge. Can you make people not to speak about the Hilsa fish? So he accepted the challenge and he performed his duty after 1 week. Then what happened? It happened that Gopal went through the market. He dressed up differently, went the market, purchased the Hilsa fish, but nobody was speaking about Hilsa fish. Only all were bothered and spoke only about the dress up of Gopal. Some said he is crazy, some said he has gone mad, some said he is a very comic person. Also his wife said he has gone mad. So this was the challenge accepted by Gopal and he fulfilled the challenge of king, and king again congratulated him that, oh, you accepted the challenge and you have fulfilled it. And the last the Gopal says, king, today no one has spoken about the Hilsa fish than my dress up. So this was the story about the Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, so please read the story and write down these words meaning in your notebook. Thank you. Have a good day.